Would you like to know how to make a Pornstar Martini? I'm about to show you how to make it in the comfort of your own home, as good as the ones the bartenders make here at Boston Shaker. Ready? If I was to describe the flavour of a Pornstar Martini, the Martini itself lies somewhere between being citrus and zingy and sweet at the same time. The Prosecco on the side is dry, so this balances out that sweet and sour flavours of the Martini perfectly. To make a Pornstar Martini, you will need vanilla vodka. We use vanilla here and vanilla extract to make ours, but you can buy pre-made vanilla vodka from the stores anywhere. Passion fruit liqueur or sour, sugar syrup. To make sugar syrup, we use 50% sugar, 50% hot water, shake it all around, dissolve it. Once that sugar is dissolved, you chill it down and you have sugar syrup. Fresh passion fruit pulp, fresh house squeezed lime juice, and a beautiful Prosecco. We're going to make a Pornstar Martini using a Boston Shaker tin, because we're a Boston Shaker. So that is our small tin, this is our large tin. We're going to use a fine strainer to strain out all those passion fruit pulp particles, and a hawthorn strainer to strain out the ice. Let's get mixing. First we're going to grab our small Boston Shaker tin and we're going to add 40 ml of vanilla vodka. Next we're going to add 20 ml of passion fruit liqueur or passoa. 20 ml of sugar syrup and 10 ml of passion fruit pulp. And last but not least, 20 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. We buy ours all locally and freshly squeeze it daily. Load your shaker up with plenty of ice. Remember, the ice chills the cocktail down and also some of it dilutes and balances out the flavour with a little bit of water. As with any good martini, it's served in a martini glass. This one's icy cold from the fridge with our little shot for Prosecco on the side. Grab your hawthorn strainer and fine strainer to get rid of all those passion fruit particles. And then let's fill up this shot glass with beautiful Prosecco. La, 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 la. On a side note, the Prosecco that we're going to be using today is Bolle Felici. This is an Australian-made product. It's from right here in South Australia. Zonte's Footsteps is the name of the company. If you want to get your hands on a bottle of this, it's beautiful, fresh and zingy. Can't recommend it enough. Although some people like to pour their Prosecco into their cocktail, the real way to drink it is to drink them sip for sip. So the Prosecco is dry and the Pornstar Martini is sweet and sour. Sip for sip, those flavours balance each other out. See more of these videos by yours truly. I'm Livi Robins. Hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.